Today, we're going to tackle a math problem using the order of operations, PEMDAS. Here's our question. What is the value of y when x equals 12 in this expression? Y equals the quantity of 9x plus 9 divided by 3, all squared, minus 7 times x over 4. Step 1, parentheses. Start by simplifying inside each set. In the first parentheses, we have 9 times 12, which is 108. Add 9 and we get 117. Then divide 117 by 3, and that gives us 39. In the second parentheses, 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So now our expression looks like y equals 39 squared minus 7 times 3. Step 2, exponents. Now we square 39. 39 times 39 equals 1,521. Step 3, multiplication. Next, multiply 7 by 3. 7 times 3 equals 21. Final step, subtraction. Subtract 21 from 1,521, and we get our final answer. Y equals 1,500. So, when x equals 12, y equals 1,500. Remember, always follow the PEMDAS order, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Ready to crush the ACT? Achievable includes everything you need to get a top score. With Achievable, you get a personalized AI-driven study plan, short, engaging lessons, and realistic practice questions that adapt to your progress. It's everything you need, streamlined, effective, and adapts to your needs. Tens of thousands of people have trusted Achievable to boost their scores, and now it's your turn. Start your free trial today at achievable.me. Follow the link below in the description to get started.